Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this glitter look. If you've never been to my channel before, then it's probably news to you. I have a sick obsession with glitter. But if you are not new, then you already know that I have this obsession. So today I just wanted to cover my whole face in glitter, and I realized when I was thinking about it, it wasn't gonna quite look the way I want unless I did something underneath, so I figured this might be a fun way to do it. So if you'd like to see how I did this, if you care to see how I did this, keep on watching. Alright, so to start off this glitter look, I am going to lay down a foundation because I started thinking about the whole glitter thing, and when I wanted to do full flakes of glitter, I realized it's not going to look pretty unless I do something underneath first. So that is what we're going to work on. I'm going to put down an eye primer, and I'm going to cover my face with benign clown white paint. So let's go ahead and do the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to take this blender. It's not damp or anything. I'm just going to use it to smooth in the edges. So that is good. We are moving on to eyebrows, and I am using this right here. This is Urban Decay. Was it Voodoo? No. So we got purple eyebrows on, and I'm going to go ahead and do the eyes in purple as well. And I've got literally 9 palettes in front of me, so give me a minute here. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with this color in my Hank & Henry Bluetooth palette. This is Blueberries. Not really purple, but it'll work for what I'm doing. So now I'm going to go in with this other color in the same palette called Purple right over it. Okay, so now I am going to go into my Purple Kush palette here by Ruby May, and I am going to use... That's a good question. What am I going to use? I think I'm going to go with this one right here, Swisher. Okay, so now I'm going to go over that with this one right here. So now I'm going to go into these two colors right here, Strain and Blackberry. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend it a little. So for under the eyes, I really want to make it pop. I am going to find a brush. I'm going to go into the Poison palette by Hank and Henry and use this yellow color right here. Okay, so now I'm going back into the Sweet Tooth palette by Hank and Henry, and I am using Buttercup. Alright, now we're going to start doing the rest of the face in color. Now that we got that figured out, I think I'm going to start off with a dusting of this color right here. Actually, this whole middle row I'm going to use on my face right now, and we'll go from there. So now we are going to go in with this green color and this blue color here. We're going into Purple Kush by Ruby May, and I am going to use, I think I have plenty of green, but I'm going to use this green first, and then I'm going to I'm going to go in with this purple here. I think I'm going to go into this palette here, and I'm going to use this pink color, and then I'm going to use this pink color. I think I'm going to go in with this Buttercup color here. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with Mint Tea as well. This one right here. Okay, so I think I'm going to go into the Fantasy palette here, and I'm going to use this color right here. Going on there the way I want. I think I'm going to go into my Violet Voss Essentials palette and use the color Emerald. so now that my face is covered, I'm going to take this brush and kind of smooth it out a little. Okay, you see how it kind of made it more watercolor-like? Or maybe sidewalk paint, I don't know, something like that. I just wanted it blended, so that's what we did. I am going to darken up the eyebrows because they're kind of messy now, and be back. We are going to line the eyes now. I'm going to use Marc Jacobs Grapevine in the bottom waterline. Okay, so for top liner, I have Violet by Sheila. I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyways, that's what I'm using for my top eyeliner. Okay, so before we get into glitter, we're gonna go ahead and put some lashes on, our mascara, and then lashes. Let's see, what do I have for mascara? I have Pixie Beyond Black. That's what I'm using for mascara. Alright, for lashes, we have 3D Collection by J Lash Extra Volume. Lashes are on. They probably won't stay on very well, but they are on nonetheless. And now we are going to cover the face with glitter because that is what we're here for. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to put some lip color on, and I'm going to use Hank and Henry. This is Lucid. So we got the lip color on, now we are going into the glitter. So I've got this cosmetic glitter that I use for soap making that I'm going to dust my face with. So now I'm going to get into this Hank and Henry palette, Las Hermanas, and I am going to use this glitter that they have right here on the lids. Now I have all these other glitter palettes in front of me, and I'm trying to decide if I want to add more. I feel like I should because glitter. Let me see what I can do here. Oh, I'm just gonna add more glitter. How about that? Let's see how it goes. This is the Best of Life palette by Violet Voss. I'm just going into the glitters here. So I have also The Best of Life by Violet Voss. The first one, I'm gonna try some of those glitters too. That about does it. I feel like a Christmas tree ornament. So I think my mission's complete. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.